The time to first byte is how long the server takes to respond to the browser with the first byte of information. This is the beginning of the page download. A fast time to first byte is any one that happens in under 200 milliseconds, and a slow time to first byte is any time this takes more than 500 milliseconds. If you see your server responses for things like time to first byte are materially higher than the fast levels of 200 milliseconds, you are often experiencing delays caused at the server. These can be caused by server congestion, network congestion, or more often server-side rendering. For example, Shopify systems that take Liquid and convert it into HTML. If you see a material change in your time to first byte, it is best to reach out to the IT team or the platform provider to help them identify the root cause. Slow time to first bytes will always make every subsequent metric slower, as this is the initial server response before the page can begin rendering.